Hi lovelies, welcome back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. I know it's been ages. Oh my god. Like guys, I'm so sorry that I've been away so long, and to be honest, I wish it was under better circumstances, but you know, life happens to us, and you know, but I'm back. Yes, I'm back. So hi lovelies, welcome back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. I know it's been more than a minute. Like it's been more than a minute since you guys saw my face, since I came here with a video, but your girl is back. So I am super excited, and I don't know, I just hope that like most of my subscribers have not literally forgotten about me. Life happened to me, guys. Life happened, and it wasn't intentional. Like I didn't want to stay this long away from you guys, but life happened. But I'm so glad, and I'm super thankful to be back. For as many of you that reached out to me, yes, because some of you reached out to me saying, oh, we haven't seen a video in a long time, hope you're good, hope everything is well with you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, because it meant a lot to me. I'm just hoping that on a good day, you know, I'm just going to be able to tell you guys, you know, what happened and stuff that happened to me and my family. It was really serious. Like, you know, it was something that would probably take like a couple of videos before I could cover everything that happened. But I am grateful to God, you know, that I'm back and I'm alive and well, and you know, I can come back to do this because this is something I love to do. So enough of that. How have you guys been? How have you been? Did you guys miss me? Okay, so don't worry, I'm back now. Okay, I am definitely back. So please, if this is your first time or coming by this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Yes, it's about to get really lit here. Like when I mean lit, I mean I'm gonna be giving you guys back to back. Yes, I'm gonna be like, our channel is going to be super interesting. Our channel is going to be super informative. I'm going to throw in a bit of lifestyle here and there, and you know, as well as our skincare and you know, beauty, wellness, information and all of that. So if this is something you're keen on experiencing or watching, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I drop a video, because I swear you don't want to miss it. Okay, so, and to my old subscribers, oh my god, I love you guys. Like, I don't know, it's something that I don't know, like I don't know how I got so blessed, to be honest. Like, I'm grateful. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you for your support, and everyone who's been buying products from Slice of Heaven Skincare, God bless you so much. God bless you. I love you guys with all my heart. Like, I don't see my subscribers as like, you know, just people who watch me or anything. You know, you could be watching any other channel, or you know, spending your quality time somewhere else, but you take your time to come here to watch my videos. So thank you. And most of you are now family members. You know, you guys are now like family to me, because you're constantly checking in, and you know, the support is just enormous. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I love you with all my heart. Okay, so my name is Jennifer April Pickybaugh. For as many of you that do not know my name, I know a lot of people call me Slice of Heaven, but my name is actually Jennifer April Pickybaugh, and I look forward to super amazing more videos, super amazing fun stuff here on our channel, and you guys are not going to be bored, I promise you. And if you have requests, you know, for stuff that you want me to do as well, feel free to, you know, always like leave that in the comment section, and I'm just going to read that, and if it's something that I can actually do, then I'm going to do it. So yes, this is my welcome back to YouTube. So this is welcome back to YouTube for me, and thank you so much to all my subscribers. I love you. Mwah. And thank you to all the people who've been buying stuff from me, like, you know, our handmade products from Slice of Heaven Skincare. Like, I've been shipping to you guys, like in the US, in the UK. I've shipped to Uganda, Kenya, Nigeria, and like, you guys, I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This girl, this woman is thankful. Thank you so much. God bless you. And so I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and yeah, I look forward to an amazing time with you. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want this video to be too long. But yeah, guys, I'm so grateful to be alive. And I'm so thankful that I can come back to do something I love with people that I love, because I know you guys love me and I love you right back. So until my next video, please stay blessed, stay safe, and I love you. Oh, don't forget to wear sunscreen, okay? Bye. Did you miss me? Did you miss this beautiful face? Did you? Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. Trust you all been doing great. Scrap that. Is camera clear? Like, this eyelash wants to go off. Let me see. Okay, looking good. Hi guys, welcome back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. I know you missed this face. I'm so glad to be back. And if you know